Hi, I'm Thea.
Eric.
And you are here at Renovation in Cambridge.
We have just finished plastering, and so now the priority on the list is the toilet.
Why is that?
Because we've been living out of a Portaloo for like 4 months.
So the powder room, it's GIB-stopped. It's literally a shell. A lot of this house is very neutral tones, and so we want our powder room to be a little bit wild.
I don't know whether you put the wallpaper on and then we put on the architraves and the skirtings, or whether we bring it up to the skirtings.
Yeah.
But we're going to have to find out from the team at Resene ColorShop. Otherwise, I've got no idea.
Hi, how are you today? What are we doing?
We are conquering our powder room today.
Did you see something that you kind of like?
Well, I think online I saw from some like animal print. Animals like in them.
She's going crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I'm kind of like darker.
So we're going to go green on the wall, do you think? Resene hemlock.
Oh, that's better.
Look at that.
Let's give it a nudge. Who knew you could fit 2 of us in a powder room? Okay, where do we start?
You just go straight onto the wall, slap it on.
Slap it on.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've just got to paint the back wall, and our Resene team have said we're going to paint right across the ceiling and down the other side. And then we have our outrageous, is it a jungle or is it safari thing?
Yeah, no, it's a jungle. We're having a jungle on this wall and on this wall.
Wallpapering, I thought was quite simple. It was all about the prep, and so making sure that we got the guidance to put on the Resene Shore Seal and making sure that we had a really good base on it, chucking on the size, and then it was really just down to putting on our glue and then hanging our wallpaper, making sure everything matched, and I think I did a reasonably good job because of our pattern.
It's a tiny, tiny space, so we wanted to go a bit mad in there, and I think we've achieved our goal. Christine from Resene suggested that we paint the ceiling.
We've got the Resene hemlock, runs right up and over.
I think that's like finished it off. It's made it just like so good.
We've sort of framed out our window. So we used our Resene luster acryl on our window. So we've got the pop of the white.
So when everyone comes here, when we entertain them, they can use the beautiful powder room and just like enjoy the crazy artwork that it is on the wall. I love it, but then I like animals.
I know you love animals.
So.
That's why you love me.